Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy homemade chili beans. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, like 2 cans of your favorite beans and 1 pound of ground meat. Then, we'll quickly prepare our vegetables, dicing 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, we'll brown the meat and sauté those aromatics in a large pot, setting the foundation for a delicious meal in under 30 minutes. Now that our meat is browned and vegetables are tender, it's time to combine everything for that rich chili flavor. We'll add 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and a teaspoon each of cumin and oregano. Stir in your 2 cans of drained and rinsed beans, then bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. To achieve the perfect chili, let it simmer gently for at least 20 minutes or even longer if you have the time. This low and slow cooking process deepens the flavors significantly. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pot and ensure everything cooks evenly. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a pinch more salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce if you like a little kick. Your delicious homemade chili beans are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot in bowls, perhaps with a side of cornbread. Don't forget your favorite toppings. Shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped cilantro are always popular choices. This easy recipe yields approximately 6 generous servings, making it perfect for a family meal or for freezing leftovers for a quick future dinner. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.